Hi, I'm Ben. I'm here to learn English.
And I'm Emma. I'm here to help.
Let's learn together.
Let's learn together. Wait, Ben, quick question. If you walk into a coffee shop and the barista asks, "What can I get for you?" do you freeze, smile, or panic?
Ha, yes. Or you suddenly forget all your English and say, coffee? Yes. One, please? Hot?
If that sounds like you, don't worry. Today's episode will help you feel confident in English at the coffee shop.
And by the end, you'll order your coffee like a pro. No panic, no stress.
Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Easy English Conversations.
Hi, friends. I'm Ben.
And I'm Emma. We're here to help you learn English by listening, step by step, with real-life topics.
Our English is easy, relaxed, and perfect for A2 and B1 learners.
So grab a coffee, tea, or even water.
And let's go to today's place, the coffee shop.
Then, imagine this. You open the door, you smell coffee, fresh bread, maybe cake.
I already like this place.
You hear soft music, people talking, cups clinking.
This is a coffee shop. A coffee shop is a place where people buy coffee, tea, and small food.
Good. Vocabulary tip. Coffee shop is also called a cafe.
Yes, cafe is very common in English.
Now you stand in line. The barista looks at you and says,
Hi, what can I get for you?
"This is a very common question."
It means, what do you want to order?
Simple answer ideas. Can I have a coffee, please?
I'd like a latte.
One cappuccino, please.
Let's explain one word, latte.
A latte is coffee with a lot of milk.
Milk makes the coffee softer, not strong.
If coffee is your friend, a latte is your gentle friend.
Coffee types, simple and fun.
Let's talk about some common coffee words.
Number 1, espresso.
Espresso is small and strong.
It's like coffee saying, wake up, now.
Number 2, Americano.
Americano is espresso plus hot water,
It's not too strong, not too weak.
like a middle coffee. Number 3, cappuccino.
Cappuccino has coffee, milk, and milk foam.
Foam is the soft bubbles on top.
It looks like a coffee hat.
Hot or iced?
The barista may ask, hot or iced?
Hot means warm coffee.
Iced means cold coffee with ice.
In summer, iced coffee is very popular.
In winter, hot coffee feels like a hug.
Sugar, milk, and extras.
Next question you may hear, do you want sugar?
Sugar makes coffee sweet.
You can say, yes, please. No, thank you. Just a little.
Another question, milk or no milk?
Milk makes coffee lighter in color and taste.
No milk means black coffee.
Black coffee is strong, very serious coffee.
Scene 3, ordering food.
Many coffee shops sell food.
Like cake, cookies, or muffins.
Muffin is a small, sweet bread.
You can say, can I have a chocolate muffin, please?
I'd like a cookie, please.
Vocabulary tip. Can I have and I'd like are polite.
Now it's time to pay.
The barista may say, that's $5.
Or, it's $5, please.
You can pay with cash or card.
You can say, cash, please.
By card, please.
Easy and polite.
Scene 5, sitting down.
You get your coffee.
You sit down.
Maybe near a window.
You watch people walking.
Coffee shops are great places to relax.
Many people read, work, or talk with friends.
Mini story, Ben's coffee shop moment. Ben, Tell us a coffee shop story.
Okay. One time I was in another country.
Oh no, embarrassing.
I wanted coffee. The barista asked, for here or to go?
Ah, good question.
I didn't understand. I panicked.
What does that mean?
For here, it means you drink in the cafe. For go, it means you take it with you.
And what did you say?
I said yes. The barista smiled and said, so for here?
And now you know. Useful phrase practice.
Let's practice together.
Repeat after me in your head or out loud.
Can I have a latte, please?
I'd like a cappuccino.
Hot or iced?
For here or to go?
Great job.
Coffee shop culture.
In many countries, coffee shops are social places.
People meet friends.
They talk, laugh, and relax.
It's okay to sit for a long time.
Just one coffee, 2 hours of talking.
Embarrassing mistakes, it's okay.
Mistake number 1, being afraid.
It's okay to make mistakes.
Mistake number 2, speaking too fast.
Slow English is good English.
Mistake number 3, saying nothing.
Try. People are usually kind.
Confidence tip.
Think of English like coffee.
At first, it's strong.
Then you add milk.
Then sugar.
And one day, it's perfect for you. All right, friends, our coffee is finished.
But your English journey is just beginning.
If you enjoyed this episode,
Please like the video
subscribe to the channel.
and turn on notifications so you don't miss new episodes.
Thank you for learning English with us
See you next time.
at Easy English Conversations.